welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sitting in the Mustang in the wet. I haven't got any cover, so I've just got the windows down a little bit, so it's a little bit warm in the car. But today I was thinking I might install this to the Mustang. I'll just flick the camera around. It's a heads-up display unit, like so, and it plugs into the OBD2 port of the car. So I thought, yeah, I'll give that a crack, because I find sometimes with the sun, it might be the way that I've got the seating position or whatever, how I'm comfortable in the car. Sometimes when the sun comes through the front window, very hard to see between 100 and 120, which might be a really good excuse for, like, if I get pulled over or something like that. But I don't think it'd wash anyway. So I thought, yeah, something that is missing on the 2017 Mustang anyway was a heads-up display unit. So I'm going to give that a crack and see if I can install that today. Beauty. Yeah, so I thought I would just set it up somewhere on the, say, the corner side of the windscreen. I don't know if I want it directly in front. That might just annoy the piss out of me. So if I'm sitting in the car like this, that's around about eye height for me. If I have it right in front, that might annoy me at night time or something like that. So if I send it just a little bit to the right, I reckon that might work all right. Now I found the OBD2 port. It's just down underneath here, right there. So that's nice and easy. So I'll be able to route the cable down through the side. I should be able to slip the cable down through the side and then down through the side of the door and then in behind this trim here, hopefully, and then connect straight in, and any excess cord I can roll up and put up inside there with a twisty. So yeah, all right, I'll see how we go with this. Right, now for that mat, I did bring a rag with me. So I'll wipe the bottom here, make sure there's no dust or anything like that. That's alright. I'm going to put the non-slip pad on. Right, so this is the non-slip pad. Guessing that goes down. That's the top part. So if I stick this, it's not a mega stick-on thing, but it's just like a rubber pad. It sits on it, like so. And then we seat it like so. Like so. Clean the windscreen. Open up the door. Just give that that. This is the back part. Goes on it. So it's roughly centered. Yeah, that looks about right. So we can switch the engine off. We're going to squeegee all the water out. Off. Now, apparently all we have to do is peel this off all will be revealed. And there it is. Look at that. That's a bit fancy pants. Well, well, well. See straight through it. Still got the heads-up display good. Man, that is bang on. So there we go. In under about 15 minutes, it's all installed. I just have to wrap up the excess cabling and tuck it up underneath the dash here. I'll do that after I finish this video. I checked on my eBay account. I paid just over 30 bucks for it, delivered. So for 30 bucks and you get that sort of quality display on your windscreen, the only thing that, was a little bit, how's your father, was that the gear indicator didn't work properly. It was showing an incorrect reading. I dare say if the car was automatic and not manual transmission, then I think it would read the gears properly. But other than that, fantastic unit, just over 30 bucks, absolute bloody bargain. And now I've got a heads-up display in my 2017 Mustang GT. I don't know about you, but I call that a result at the end of the day, so I'm well happy with that. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up for me, much appreciated, and also hit the subscribe button for plenty more videos to come on RevMatch 1970. You guys have a fantastic day, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next video. Good on you.